Hello and welcome to the channel Software Guy. From this video onward, I will show you how to build a desktop application to the phone repair and shop. For this, I am using C Sharp as a programming language, also MS SQL for the database. I will show you how to create a forms and guide you through the video. Let's start. Open the Visual Studio. Type the project name. You can use any name. And here you have to select what is the .NET Framework package you are going to use. You can see there are a number of packages shows in here. I am going to use the latest 4.7.2. And I will delete this form. As a best practice, when you are creating a form, try to organize the flow. You can create a folder and rename it, and then create a form within the folder. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Okay, from here on, I will design the customer registration interface, and you can follow the same. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Okay guys, our first build is complete, you can see, and
subscribe me for the next video. Thank you.